Chemtools here. Today we're going to restore a wheel that's in bad need of restoration. The victim I have here is of a utility. It's about 30 years old, and as you can see it's got very heavy rust and grime on it. So the first thing we do, we're going to give it a little brush up to get rid of any loose debris. Now I really don't want to spend too much time doing this, so I'm going to use some of our industrial products to help me. Just take out the loose dirt. Now I've cleaned all the loose contaminants off our wheel, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some of our Chemtools Prep Solves Decleaner and Greaser, and this will actually clean most of the gunk off the actual wheel. So I'll spray that on liberally like that. Now, as you can see, it's a fairly fast drying solvent. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to give it a little wipe with the rag, and this just will remove any contaminants that are left on the wheel. After that, we'll be doing some etch priming after we mask it up, and we'll have a great looking product again. So this is stage one in our preparation. So we'll be back in a minute after I mask it up. Hi, Andrew from Chemtools back again, and we've just masked up our tyre here, and what I've done, I've just given it a quick wipe with our Prep Sol just to get rid of any final dust. I've actually given it a good scrub off with the brush, and I made sure that there's no peeling, crack paint anywhere. If you do have badly cracked paint, I do suggest you sand it down with some 100 grade sandpaper, wet and dry. Even though this wheel is really old, the paint's is rusted off basically. So after our Prep Sol formula, we're going to put that away. And we're going to go to our next product here, the Chemtools Etch Primer Grey. Now, this is designed for painting stainless steel, aluminium, corroded surfaces like this, things that paint will not stick to. Basically, this is like normal paint, but it's got a small amount of acid added into it. So it actually etches into the actual surface and gives the actual top coat something to stick to. So the first thing you do with the spray can, you'll hear the marble start to shake. You should shake it for at least 60 seconds after you hear the marble. And I always like to invert my can like this and give it a really, really good shake. So ensures all the solvent is mixed up with the product and you get very consistent results. It's a beautiful day in the Australian sunshine to do this today. So I'm mixing my paint. Now whenever you're doing painting, you should do it in a well ventilated area. There's nothing around where you mist can get on cars or anything like that. And if you're doing a lot of spray painting, you should use a mask. I'm only doing a very small area here, so I'm not going to bother doing that. Can you chop it a sec, Bucky? Alright, so it's been about 60 seconds of shaking with a can. Now when you spray a can, you shouldn't go too close, otherwise you can get runs and streaks and patches. So what I always tend to do, I tend to work light coats. A nice action like that. It's important to get all the leading edges. If you want to look really, really nice. Spray around the lip. As you can see, I've gone around the wheel. I'm thinking that might be enough primer for now. One little light extra coat there. And I'm going to let it dry for a few minutes. We'll put our top coat on. So we'll be seeing you in about 5 minutes time. Back again, we've got our silver gout here. Now Silvergal is a finishing formula. It has a nice shiny finish, so it gets a nice satin to mild gloss finish on the actual product you're painting. Again, suitable for vehicles or welding jobs or fences or touch-ups and things like this. In this case, we're going to paint our wheel. Now, the wheel's had about 15 minutes to set in the sun, so the etch primer is nice and set. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start applying our Silvergal. And again, you want nice light coats. Now if you want a really nice finish doing this, you should sand it. I've actually got a couple of runs in my paint here, I'm not going to worry too much about that. As you can see, the coverage is really good. Don't forget to spray around the edge. Like that. Making sure I've got all the corners and crevices. There, our wheel is finished. We'll give that about 15 minutes to dry, remove the tape, and then we'll be right back. Hi, back again. Now we're going to give our painted wheel the final finish. As you can see, I've removed the masking tape and I've cleaned our tyre off. The tyre's been on the road for a few thousand kilometres, so it's not very good condition. So what we're going to do, we're going to give it some silicone. This is our Chemtools R60 product. This will actually protect the tyre and get it nice and shiny Now spray that on. Get my rag. I'll give it a little wipe. You guys will remember how bad that wheel was before. Look at how good that was. Maybe a little bit more silicone here because I've missed a patch. And the writing. They can be refitted to our ute, and that'll give us many hours of faithful service. Until next time, goodbye.